SPRW Puducherry community, and this is my Independence Day project. Let me show how it works. Let me show the components that I have used for my Independence Day project. First, I have used this servo motor and connected to this arm, which is connected to the Bluetooth controller board. And then I have used the 22 gear, 42 gear and the straight line gear, which is connected to a motor, and the motor is connected to the Bluetooth controller, and which in my app I control all these together. Thank you for watching my video and happy Independence Day.